What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. I wanted to give you an update on the welding skid and give you four main reasons. Four main reasons you should purchase one. And I'm going to tell you the first reason. The first reason is it's going to keep you safe, family, when you're traveling. The second reason is it's going to help you stay organized. Your equipment, you can pull up to a job site, you can jump out, you can get ready, you know where everything is. The third thing is it's portable. When you get done, you can take it out of your work truck and use it for something else. You can use your personal vehicle as a work vehicle. You can kill several birds with one stone. And the fourth reason you should do it, you can download the prints and build your own. You can customize your own welding skid. That means you can go to the website, hogonwelding.com. You can visit hogonwelding.com. You can grab your personal prints. You can customize it. So even though the prints give you a layout, you can still customize your own. And those are the four main reasons I think you should purchase one.